Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2019 Audi Q8, and this is the 50 TDI S-Line Quattro. Finished in the absolute quintessential beautiful colour of Navarra Blue. Beautiful colour that, and sat on these stunning alloy wheels. Now they are, let's have a quick look, 22 inches. Wow. Now this car, I've drove this car, 3 litre V6 turbo. It is phenomenal. You would not think you were driving an SUV as big as this. This drives like a sports car. Now that 3 litre, bags of torque, bags of power, sat on those 22 inch wheels. Great looking car. Now we've got the privacy glass in there, coming round the rear, we've got the twin tailpipe effect on there, but these have a wonderfully large boot. So if you're looking for a vehicle which has the power and the drive of a sports car, but you need the facility to load her up, go in the caravan, going on holiday, kids, dogs, you name it, this car's exactly what you need. 50 TDI Quattro, so that's the brake horsepower of the vehicle. Got the 2 keys in my pocket, but wait till we open this car. When you see inside of it, so pillarless coupe style, when you don't get doors, so you can get this low roof, it accentuates the lines of the car. It's done 29,853 miles, but inside, the level of quality, very similar to a Lamborghini in that respect, because Audi make that, so you can see where they've borrowed ideas from there. So we've got the electric memory seats, power folding mirrors, we've got the screens down the center console, we've got everything. The leather is sumptuous in here, embossed S-line seats, mixture of high gloss inlay and obviously silver. So as I jump in here, I'm just going to start her up for you. Keys are in my pocket. We've got then the easy start, but just look at those screens. Everything's so easy to read, very nicely set out when you look at it. Climate control down there, heated seats, satellite navigation, reversing cameras, side cameras, so pretty much 360 camera system. I don't smoke, I can tell. Nobody's ever smoked in here either. It is absolutely gorgeous. Running there, we've got the signature lights. Must admit, you do know these cars when you see them coming up behind you in the rear view mirror, but available today to drive away by prior, obviously, arrangement with us. Wonderful example. Now, if you'd like any more information on it, give us a call here at Alpha Motors in Wigan, and we'll do our best in every respect, whether it be part exchange, finance. What a wonderful car. So thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.